First thing we'll want to do is download R and RStudio. These can be downloaded by going to a web browser, typing in RStudio, looking for a link that looks something like this. And then we'll have to install R and the RStudio development environment separately. So the first thing I'll do is click download and install R. I'm running Windows, so I'll click R for Windows, and then install R for the first time. I'll download the most recent version they have here, just to my local directory, to wait for it to download. Then, once downloaded, I can open R, then I'll run through the installation process. So after I've installed R, I can then install RStudios. Again, I'll click download RStudios for Windows, download it to a local directory, finally, when RStudio is finished, I can launch it by going to the Explorer and typing in RStudio. RStudio will launch. We'll probably want to use the 64-bit version if it's available, and then we'll keep everything else set to default. When RStudio launches, it should look something like this. There, and that concludes this video. We've now installed R and RStudio.